already we discussed about the relation between the roots and the coefficients. Based on that, we need to find all these values. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this 2x cube minus x square plus x plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay? As we know, for suppose if the polynomial is this ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus some d is equals to 0, and if this polynomial has three roots alpha, beta, gamma, as we discussed in previous session, sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a, and that is equals to what is minus b? B is minus 1, minus b is 1 by a is 2, 1 by 2. And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. See, sum of the products of the roots taken two at a time. Okay, already I mentioned it in the previous classes. Sum of the products of the roots taken two at a time is simply nothing but c by a. And that c is actually 1. So x coefficient is 1 and 2. 1 by 2. Next, product of the roots. Product of the roots is simply minus d by a minus constant divided by the coefficient of x square. So directly minus 4 by 2 and that is equals to minus 2. Is it right? Just have a look. Okay. This is the given polynomial. 2x cube minus x square plus x plus 4 is equals to 0. So the roots of the polynomial are alpha, beta, gamma. And we need to find all these values. They are depending on that alpha, beta, gamma. First of all, as we know the relation between the roots and the coefficients of the polynomial, with that idea, I mentioned here sum of the roots, sum of the products taken to as well product of the roots. Now, one by one we need to find. Not only this, there is a chance to find many other, okay? First of all, how can we find all these values? Just have a look, okay? Right. The first thing is what? Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So how to find that alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square? Just you need to utilize your algebraic skill. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is simply nothing but alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, just by using a plus b plus c whole square formula. So from there, alpha plus beta plus gamma. What is this alpha plus beta plus gamma? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. And what is that value? That is again 1 by 2, right? So you just replace again 1 by 2. So try to simplify it. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 minus 2 into 2 gets cancelled, left with 1. 1 by 4 minus 1 is how much? Minus 3 by 4. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is minus 3 by 4. Actually this polynomial may have real roots or it may have complex roots, and that's why sum of the squares may be negative also sometimes. So this alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is simply nothing but minus 3 by 4. Okay? Then ends the task. You just have a look one by one. And the next target is to find alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square. How to find this? To find this alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square, you just do squaring for this alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay? So how it happens? Just have a look. I will give you the idea. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha whole square. So this whole square part is nothing but alpha square beta square plus, I think already you all did it in algebraic identities, okay? Alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square plus 2ab. So 2 into alpha beta into beta gamma means 2 alpha beta square gamma. Again 2 beta gamma gamma alpha. 2 beta gamma square alpha. 2 gamma alpha alpha beta. 2 gamma alpha square beta. Then think about it how to rewrite. and how to find that value. First of all, note it and then think about this. So from there, how can we rewrite? We need this alpha square, beta square, gamma square, and gamma square, alpha square value. Okay? See, from these three terms, you just common out alpha, beta, gamma. 2 alpha, beta, gamma as a common term. Then you will get like this, okay? Finally, therefore, alpha, beta plus, beta, gamma plus, gamma, alpha whole square is equals to required alpha square, beta square plus, beta square, gamma square plus, gamma square, alpha square plus 2 alpha, beta, gamma of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Just observe it. If you common out 2 alpha, beta, gamma from these three terms, beta, gamma, alpha. Okay. So that those are in the bracket. So alpha plus beta plus gamma. You just try to find those values. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square is equals to required value. This alpha square, beta square, gamma square value plus 2 into alpha, beta, gamma. Product already we have it as minus 2 into alpha plus beta plus gamma sum, which is 1 by 2. You try to calculate it. If you calculate, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This is simply minus 2. Send this minus to this side. So 1 by 4 plus 2 is equals to question mark. So if you calculate, what will be the question mark value? 1 by 4 plus 2 is 4, 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So this value is simply 9 by 4. There is the value. You just have a look. So this is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So these three are just by the relation between the roots and the coefficients. Using these three, we are finding this every value, alpha square, beta square, gamma square, like this. Then think about this alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4. And then think about 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Likewise, 1 by 1 we need to find. Okay? I am erasing this. You just have a screenshot and I will discuss about alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4. Okay? So listen carefully and along with me you just note it down, okay? So the next thing is alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4, which is simply nothing but alpha square whole square plus beta square whole square plus gamma square whole square. And this is simply nothing but alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square whole square minus 2 times of alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square. Is it right? Just have a look. Say square of this minus 2 times of this. It will give you directly that alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4. So this alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is what? That particular value we found it as minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 2 into alpha square beta square plus beta square gamma square plus gamma square alpha square value, we found it as 9 by 4. Try to simplify it. So 3 square is again 9. 9 by 16 minus 9 by 2. Okay. Just to make it 16, multiply with 8. So this is 72 divided by 16. And then 9 minus 72 by 16. What is its value? 63. Minus 63 by 16 is this value. So this alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus gamma power 4 is simply minus 63 by 16. See, the given polynomial is randomly taken one, and that's why the values may be a bit different. Okay, just have a look and then try to find this 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. I think so, very simple, just by taking LCM. Okay, you just do it and then think about the next one. Okay, have a look. So 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. What is the LCM? Alpha, beta, gamma is the LCM. So if you take alpha, beta, gamma as denominator, Since I have alpha, the numerator must be beta gamma. So the numerator will become beta gamma plus gamma alpha plus alpha beta. Okay. This ratio is simply 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. So I have the numerator as 1 by 2 and the denominator alpha beta gamma as minus 2. On simplification we have minus 1 by 4. Okay. Just have a look. This 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma value is minus 1 by 4. Okay. Then the last one is this alpha square beta plus gamma, beta square gamma plus alpha, gamma square alpha plus beta. How to find it? See, it is somewhat, you need to think about it, little bit different. Okay. And before going to find this, first of all I will find alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. Using that I will find this. Okay. Actually my task is to find this particular value which is in terms of alpha beta gamma. First of all I am trying to find alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. I will use that in finding this. So how to find that alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube? Okay. So we have a logic. What is that? Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube we need. This is equals to, then by simply by the identities, alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma. Is it right? Actually, from identities, I think you are all clear about this rule. Okay, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube minus 3 alpha beta gamma is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha. You just go with that rule. Okay, so that implies, see, this alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube I need to find minus 3 into alpha beta gamma. So what is alpha beta gamma? Minus 2 is equals to alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is 1 by 2 into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. We found it like minus 3 by 4 minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha. Just to come out that minus, you left with alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha, which is 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2. From there we need to simplify. So first of all you just try to calculate this. Minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. I write it like minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Minus 5 by 4. Minus 5 by 4 into 1 by 2. Minus 5 by 8. So that implies alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube plus 6 is equals to minus 5 by 8. Send that 6 that side. Okay. So that implies alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equals to minus 5 by 8 minus 6, and on solvation, okay, 48 and 5, is it right? Minus 53 by 8 is your answer. So finally we have that alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube as minus 53 by 8. Okay, just have a look. From there we need to find the other. From there we need to find this particular value. Okay, just have a look. I will erase it and then I will discuss. We have alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube as minus 53 by 8. And now we need to find this alpha square of beta plus gamma, beta square of gamma plus alpha, plus gamma square of alpha plus beta. So how to find it? So alpha square of beta plus gamma plus beta square of gamma plus alpha plus gamma square of alpha plus beta. This value actually we need to find. So alpha square into, instead of finding directly I just use some logic. So just think about this particular one. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 1 by 2. Here beta plus gamma is involved. So what is this beta plus gamma? 1 by 2 minus alpha. I just replace this beta plus gamma with 1 by 2 minus alpha. Okay. Plus beta square into gamma plus alpha. The same logic, right? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 1 by 2 and there gamma plus alpha is mentioned, which is 1 by 2 minus beta plus gamma square into alpha plus beta. See again the same alpha plus beta plus gamma is 1 by 2 and alpha plus beta is 1 by 2 minus gamma. Okay, then how to simplify it? So as a part of simplification, alpha square into 1 by 2, alpha square by 2, okay, minus alpha cube plus beta square by 2 minus beta cube plus gamma square by 2 minus gamma cube. From this alpha square by 2, beta square by 2, gamma square by 2. So how what it is? Half of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square and minus of alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. We have these two values. Just substitute. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is minus 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 4 minus alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube, just we found it like minus 53 by 8. Simplify it, you will get an answer and that will give you the value of this one. Okay, that represents that value. Okay, have a look at the end. If alpha, beta, gamma are roots of the given polynomial, then finding values based on these roots alpha, beta, gamma is in this way. Okay, have a look. So next question is, next I need to find this 2 minus alpha into 2 minus beta into 2 minus gamma value. See, usually the students may think in such a way that if you multiply all these things, in that multiplication alpha, beta, gamma, alpha plus beta, and these terms are involved. If you multiply these three, these terms are involved, you just replace, you will get the answer. That is one way. In another way, what I do is alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this polynomial, right? So since alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this polynomial, then we have a chance to rewrite in such a way. 2x cube minus x square plus x plus 4 is equals to x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma, okay, into 2, because the leading coefficient is 2, right? So this is a general idea, right? Since alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the polynomial, so x minus alpha, x minus beta, x minus gamma are the factors of the polynomial, and so since leading coefficient is 2, we have a chance to rewrite this. So 2x cube minus x square plus x plus 4 is equals to 2 into something, and my target is to find this particular value. Now you just take x is equals to 2. You just take x is equals to 2. If you take x is equals to 2, 2 into 2 cube minus 2 square plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 2 into 2 minus alpha into 2 minus beta into 2 minus gamma. And our target is to find this 2 minus alpha into 2 minus beta into 2 minus gamma, right? And that's why simply calculate this value, divide with 2. Okay, 2 cube is 8, 8 2 is 16, minus 4 plus 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, and what it is? This is actually 18. So 18 divided by this 2 is equals to 2 minus alpha into 2 minus beta into 2 minus gamma. So at the end this value is 18 by 2, which is 9. So this is the simple way of calculating these type of values depending on the roots and the roots of the polynomial. Okay, I will give you one more problem in the next class. Okay, just have a look. And that's for today's class.